Hey guys, this is Amy. I received another Pinch Me box in the mail. I was sent this box so that I could share it with you guys. For those that already know what Pinch Me is, I want to share it with you and remind you of how great it is so that you remember to go out there, follow through with getting those samples and leaving reviews. For those that don't know what it is, I want to quickly take the time to let you know how to get involved, what it is, and how it can benefit you. First thing you want to do is go to pinchme.com. This will cost you absolutely nothing. Basically what it is, it's a website where when you sign up, you're not going to get any type of credit card information, money. That never has to be exchanged. They're going to ask you a few questions, you're going to take a survey, and then once samples are made available, you will get an email. You will have basically a time limit because there's only a certain number of samples. Then if you are accepted, approved, whatnot, you'll get the samples in the mail. The samples can be anything. So let me do this. Let me show you what I was sent. And like I said, this is I don't know what you call it. This isn't a normal box. This is just a box that's sent to me to share with you to give you an idea of what you can get. Random stickers. Cute. My daughter's already, claimed them. Chocolates. Let's see. Just regular chocolates. I'll be honest, when I got them, they were melted because it's hot in Texas. The purpose, I think, behind these samples is to give you an idea of products so you know what is worth buying instead of buying a product, spending money on, let's say you wanted to try these Band-Aids. Well, right now you get 2 sent to you as a sample at no cost, but if you wanted to try them, you might spend $9 on 20 of them. I don't know, I'm just making that up. So this company gives you an opportunity to try new things that you might be curious about before you spend the big almighty dollar on something you end up not really wanting. Coupon, HelloFresh, they just add that. So let's see, a little sample of sunscreen that was sent. Little sample of, I think this is that deodorant that is, what do you call it, natural. And then some eye drops. It's a good brand. This is a really great brand. This is actually a product I've not ever seen. I know the company, but I don't know this product, so this will be interesting to try. So this is something where if I wanted to try it, I don't want to spend the amount of money on it. I can appreciate the sample, because if I don't like it and I go to the store and buy it, then that's a whole lot of money, especially if I end up not liking it. So, really quick, and I know I probably rambled this on, pinchme.com. Go to the website. If you like to try samples, this costs you nothing, but you do have to commit. If you fill out that form, if you give them all of your information, you tell them what you're interested in, if they send you items at no cost, then you really need to go back in once you get the samples, once you've tried it, and leave an honest review. Don't just get the samples and be done. You need to go back in, leave an honest review. That way consumers know and companies know if you like and appreciate the products. Simple, easy, and it's always fun to get things in the mail, things that aren't bills. So there you go, pinchme.com. See you next time. Bye.